Start show you guys how to change the oil. Suzuki, they're all the same, but I'm going to show you the right way and the fast way to do it. Okay, first you remove the cowling. There's a cowling. When you take the cowling out, don't ever hold this, because it's attached to this, it'll break. What you want to do is hold the grill right here, the air grill right here, and lift it up like that. Okay, and you lift it up. Set it aside. Alright, and then the next thing you want to have is oil change. It's good for every motor. Alright, so in my kit you'll see the essentials. Okay, so I'm gonna really okay, cut. Yeah. All right, so here are the tools. First, I will need this to remove the side. Okay. The drill. Jimmy. All right. Jimmy got me the drill. You got a 5/16 bit to remove the side. Okay. So remove the side. Very fast. Very simple. Wow, 7 screws. Okay, pull that out. Okay, and then set it aside. All right, now this is the oil plug. We want the oil in this bucket. Okay, but we don't want it to spill. So what we do is we raise the engine like so. And if you have a lily pad, make sure you don't crush the lily pad. And turn the engine over like that. Okay. All right. This is where Suzuki, everybody asks, is there attachments where it won't spill? Well, if you do it like this, it won't spill. Okay? That's good right there, okay? Then the next tool you need is the Allen. Okay, it comes with a kit, but I don't like to use this. I like to use this Allen with a wrench. Easier and faster. Okay? And then come over here. And you open it right here. You let the oil out. Okay, you hear that click? Once it's click, you can remove it and hand twist it off. Okay? Then you lift your bucket up to it. Sometimes there's wind, so watch out where the wind blows, okay? But if you change the oil in a dirt field, you won't get it on the concrete. But if, there you go, there it goes. There's the oil. Okay, you see that? Okay, so while it's draining, it has a crush washer. Okay, this washer you have to change every time you change the oil, and that should be in your kit. Okay, there it is. Okay, you just follow. It's gonna keep going toward the engine. Then I'm gonna put the new crush washer on. In the kit. Crush washer. Okay, always have crush washer. Okay. Then let it drain. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna remove the oil filter. Keep following until it comes out. Okay. I was busy videoing, I didn't pay attention. You see it? When you angle it this way, it doesn't go back to the engine. So you don't have to worry about it. See? There. And then at this angle, all the oil comes out at this angle. So now you're done. Okay? Now you put the cap back on. Okay? Then you put the Allen on and hand tighten it. Hand tighten it. Okay, and then put the wrench back on. About 45 degrees, good. Don't over tighten it. Okay, cut. Now we're gonna change the filter. Set it down. Turn. Okay. Filter is right here. Okay, and it's supposed to be hand tight, but when you take it out, it might not be hand tight. Okay, so this one happens to be hand tight, but if it isn't, use a channel lock to take it out. Okay, and you're gonna get oil spill right here. Okay, just let it out. Okay, and then set this aside. Okay, and then clean the oil here. Clean the oil here. Okay. And then you're gonna see a little bit of oil left on the block. Okay, that lubricates this. So when you put it on, it'll lubricate and no friction. It doesn't break the seal. Okay. All right. And then you tighten it. Hand tight only. On top of the flywheel, it'll show you how much you need. Okay, so this engine, I know how much it needs. It will save 6 quarts. All right. So you buy the 4 quart, which is 1 gallon, which is 4 quarts here. Okay, and then I have 2 quarts left from my last one to here, so that's 2 quarts. So a total of 6 quarts. So all I do is put it in. Okay, but afterwards you can check the oil with the dipstick if you went over or under. All right, so the oil cap is up here, the yellow. Okay, and then you open it up. Okay. Okay, there it is. All right. Then you put a funnel in. The funnel that I use is a homemade one. This is a 1 quart of oil. I just cut the top off and it fits perfect. See there? And there it is. I use that as my funnel. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the now I'm gonna put the 4 quart in, which is a gallon. Okay. And here we go. It goes in fast. I dropped it. Okay.
And let me wipe the dust out.
Wipe the dust off, too. Okay. Give us a second to wipe the dust off. Jimmy, right here. Here's a quick. That's good. It's good size. So put it here. And you twist. Oh, go ahead. Okay. And you put it all in. Okay, it's 4 quarts.
Okay.
Okay. Again, this is my leftover 2 quarts. Okay. 6 quarts altogether. Okay, I don't fill it all the way 6 quart. sometimes there's oil left in the engine, so I want to check the dipstick first. Give it a little time to settle. You see there? It does take the full. That dot right there is where you want to be. So I'm gonna put it all in, and when we check, it should be right on that second dot. Yeah. Go that way. Okay, here we go. Check it, it should be close to that dot. There it is, right on the money, right on the dot. Perfect. Okay. Cut. And don't forget to put the cap back on. Hand tight. It's got a seal. And then put this back in the Ziploc. You can use it. After you finish changing your oil, you want to reset your computer. Again, it'll beep every 100 hours. But I already reset it, but I'll show you anyway. First, you pull the kill switch, okay? And then you start the engine. Put it on position, okay? Then you pull this 4 times, 2, 3, 4, until you hear a beep. That means it's reset it. And then you put it back. Done.